Hello, everybody. I hope you guys can see and hear me. I am in Jamaica. For those who've been following me, I've been out here for a few weeks, couple weeks, going on a few weeks now on vacation. And I just wanted to pop in and say hello. I'm still here. Hey, Derek. And what I wanted to do was just say hello. Hey, Cheryl. And not only that, I wanted to let you guys know that we're going to have a webinar on Friday, this coming Friday, that you do not want to miss, okay? So for those who've been following me, hey, Shamika, I've been doing direct mail marketing now since 2016. No, this is not Six Figure Stamp Club. So don't worry about that, guys. If you don't want to tune into that, that's something that you're over with, whatever the case is. This Friday, we're going to be having a webinar, and I would like for everyone to show up to get information on how I've been earning from home a full-time income. Direct mail marketing, again, I've been doing it since 2016. It was one of the first ways that I was able to produce a full-time income from home. And the reason why I went to direct mail marketing is because I was struggling so bad trying to earn money online. And I really needed to earn something because I was at a dead-end job and my finances was in jeopardy. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two, and I didn't want to be relying on one source of income. So after failing online, I went to offline marketing and I started generating. It wasn't a lot in the beginning, $75 here and there, which turned into $150. Which over the course of my first 6 months offline turned into over $50,000, okay? So I was just grateful for that, because that, for me at the time, that meant that I was able to stay at home with my children and produce a full-time income. That allowed me time freedom. Not only that, I'm able to travel to places like Jamaica. That's where I'm at now, and I love it, okay? So for people who have been, hey Ron, hey Steven, thanks for tuning in. For people who have been struggling online, have been having financial difficulties, or they're looking for a way out or something that actually works, I have something extremely special for you, okay? I do a lot of online and offline coaching. What makes me different from a lot of people is that I really take people one at a time, one-on-one, okay? And the reason why is because someone did that for me. And unfortunately, with the day and age and the way that things are online and offline, you do need a helping hand and need to know exactly what to do. And if you have a mentor or someone that can show you exactly what to do, it really takes away from the stress. Not only that, it allows you to start earning faster, okay? So hey Carl, thanks for joining me. So after really struggling for over a year and a half, okay, I finally had a mentor, someone to show me exactly what to do. And I made a commitment that if someone was to do that for me, I would do that for other people, okay? So that's what I'm committed to doing. I did not go to college for this. I did not graduate from college to earn this type of full income. I just was very consistent doing what it was that I was told to do for offline, okay? Once I started producing results, okay, I then brought those results to online marketing, okay? Online, and showing people what it was that I was doing. And that just allowed me to triple my earnings, okay? So just last year alone, I was able to earn over $400,000 online, okay? So again, it was a stepping stone. It wasn't something that I learned overnight. But let me tell you, offline marketing and mailing flyers and postcards was really one of the things that took me out of that 9-to-5 and allowed me to start generating commissions consistently, okay? And again, that is key, Derek. Like you said, it's key. Consistency is key. Not only that, knowing what you're doing and being able to produce income consistently, because that's another thing. If you're earning a little bit here and there, that's not enough to leave your daytime job. But once the income becomes consistent, then you can start to say, you know what? I don't need that 9 to 5 anymore. I can go ahead and do this. And I was able to do that after about 8 months of offline marketing. So 8 months offline, I was like, you know what? I can do this permanently. I got this. You know, it's not going anywhere. I've been in the industry with people that's been doing offline marketing for over 25 years, okay? I have friends that have been doing offline marketing for way over 25 years, okay? And this is how they feed their family. They live in beautiful homes, they have beautiful families, and they teach other people how to do the same. So again, guys, yep, Mailbox Money is the way to go. This Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. The link will be in the comment section below. We will be having an unforgettable webinar that will allow people to really open their eyes to the way Mailbox Money works, what to do, how to get started, how to produce consistently, and be able to do that for years and years to come, because that's what it's all about. Hey, Sharon, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Chuck, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Barbara. So I'm really excited about this. And I just want to say thank you to everybody, that all of my followers, because I have tons and tons of followers. Not only that, all of the leaders in the industry who have always had my back, who has always been there to help take me to the next level. I just want to say I'm grateful for you guys as well. I could have never done this without you guys. And I'm just excited about the leaders that I've teamed up with. That's going to allow me to not only increase my income, but also allow others out there to see their dreams with online and offline marketing and start to produce a full-time income, because that's what it's all about. It's about us helping one another. And not only that, all of us, it's more than enough money to be made. Okay, it's more than enough money to be made. So it's about us all getting together and really just shooting for the stars. Okay. Again, I'm going to be here for a little bit longer. I'm here for basically the entire month. I got here the end of last month, and I won't be leaving until the end of this month. I wanted to do a video outside, but they're playing music right now. I'm right here next to the beach, so it's pretty loud. I wanted to show everybody the view, but I just want to say, again, I'm grateful. I'm ready to help a lot of people. And again, don't forget this Friday webinar, 3 p.m. There will be a replay. You can ask for that if you're going to be at work or you're not going to be able to make it. There will be a recording, but try to get there live if you can, and that'd be great. And I just want to say hello to everyone. I am still here. I know it's been a while since I've done a live video. I've really been trying to be on vacation. Not only that, the last destination that I was at did not have Wi-Fi. And that just was like, I don't know, maybe a blessing in disguise. It gave me a little bit of time to really take a break. Maybe it was well needed. It was a little bit frustrating, but sometimes it's like that. As you guys can see, I'm still in the gym. I got my gym outfit on. I went to the gym today, which I'm grateful for. I'm still trying to keep up with my workout so I don't put on the weight that I, recently lost. So I'm still in the gym, guys. For those who've been following me, I'm still doing it. I'm proud of myself because it's really hard. For those that don't know, I've been battling obesity for a while. So I'm down about 25 pounds or so, and I'm just trying to keep moving in that direction. Like I tell everybody, it's consistency, whether it's online, whether it's working out, whether it's breaking that bad drug addiction, alcoholism, whatever it is. You just have to be consistent, one day at a time. Online, offline marketing, one day at a time. Weight loss, one day at a time. Struggling with drugs, alcohol, one day at a time. All of this is one day at a time. You just have to stay consistent, and you have to just go out and do it. Don't procrastinate. Okay, because I used to be a really big procrastinator, especially with weight loss. Like, I won't go today, I'll just go tomorrow. I'll start next week. And after I knew it, I got on the scale. I was like 230 pounds. Okay, so I'm like, dang, I'm going in the wrong direction because I kept putting it off. Every vacation, eating what I wanted to eat. Just, I got the kids, I'm buying them snacks, I'm eating the snacks. So I just had to say at some point, enough is enough. If I can be consistent offline and online making money, I can be consistent for my health so that I can live a longer and not only that, a healthier lifestyle, right? And be there for my children. I don't want to be running around and I can't even catch up with them because I'm so out of breath and I'm overweight. So enough about me, guys. It's really about you. The key to success, getting started, being consistent, having a mentor. I'm here for you guys. I'm ready to do this. And Friday, again, webinar, 3 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be phenomenal. And you guys are going to get some information that's really going to change the game, okay? So thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week. Happy hump day. Happy hump day, guys. We're making it through the rest of the week nice and strong. And again, I'm just grateful for you guys, and I'm happy that I'm here, and I'm here to just really inspire people, whether it's earning money, weight loss, whatever it may be. I'm here. I got people contacting me saying, good job, Amanda, with the weight loss. How much did you lose so far? You look great. And I just thank you guys for the inspiration, because we can't do this alone. You need that encouragement. You know, especially being a mom and having a full-time life, doing laundry and cooking and school is about to start back soon. It's just a lot. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for just being who you are. Thank you for the support, the growth. It is absolutely amazing. I'm excited for this journey, not for just myself, but for everyone who's going to be there to take this journey with me. Mailbox money is the way to be. Guys, it changed my life, and I'm forever so grateful for all the people who believed in me, all the people that follow me. Not only that, all the people who have been inspired and started earning. I had a gentleman that I'm going to be interviewing soon. He made $2,000 within 1 week with my training. That's unbelievable. $2,000 in 1 week. He said, Amanda, I'm getting ready to quit my job. It is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So thanks to everyone out there. I'm not going to hold you any longer. Enjoy your evening. Peace and blessings from all the way from Jamaica, guys. Hey, David. Thank you so much. Hey, Shamika. Thank you so much. Casey, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Chad. Thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. I love you all. And guys, love you guys, and talk to you later.